Last week we just covered the top paying apps that pay real money to your Cash App, PayPal, or even your bank account. So in today's video, I'm going to be reviewing the best among those apps I reviewed and show you how much it can actually pay. Yes, up to 500 bucks as you're getting. So guys, if you haven't watched the previous video, you can just hit that description down below and check the link to the video from the video description. So without any further ado, we'll start right after the intro. Okay guys, we're back, and the app that we're actually going to be reviewing, or the gaming app that pays real money, that pays a high amount of money, is actually Free Cash. As you know, if you viewed our previous video, you will see that we reviewed this app and we showed its potential to paying real cash. So I'm just gonna open this app real quick, and as I said in the previous video, this app's disadvantage or its downside is that it is very slow, so you need a very fluid internet connection and to serve the app without any problems. So let's just wait the app to load. Okay, you can see some of the offers are loading, and what interests us here the most are the featured offers. As I previously explained in our previous video, I showed how you can navigate the different offers within the app. So in this video, I'm just interested in showing you the best options that you can use to get a high pay from this app. Yes, you wouldn't be wasting your time. As you can see above here, you see the amount I've already worked. That's 10 cents, and it was just after completing some levels within one of these offers. So let me just navigate to the offer that is most paying. You can navigate through all these offers. You can see the amount: 26, 34, 31 cent, 13, and here is the one I navigated, 432. If you're lucky enough, you can fall on an offer that actually pays more than this you are seeing right on your screen right now. So what I'm going to do is I'll just click on this offer. Alright, now you can just go to the description and you see the app. What you are required to do is to open the app, register, and complete all tasks within 3 to 45 days. So if you're looking for more info, you just need to come to the reward section, and you see the different levels that you will be required to complete in order to get a pay. So every level you complete, you get a pay for that. Like completing chapter 2 within this game, we actually pay you 5 cents, and completing chapter 5 we pay 5 cents. That's 5 plus 5 equals to 10 cents, and the clear and completing chapter 9 we equally pay 5 cents. And moving on now to completing chapter 4, on the very first day we'll pay you $0.2, that's 22 cents. And if you scroll down the rewards tab, you'll see that the offers are just so very interesting, and everything you see here is kind of legit. And the game's name is Ever Legion. If you're not interested in that one, you can just scroll and find the available offers. And like I said, the offers are available depending on your location. So the offer I'll see might not be what you see, but what I think is probably very common is this Ever Legion, as many other gamers have reviewed the app on the internet. So what you're required to do here is just to click on the game, and then you see this play and earn $432. So we just click on that green button down below like this. If you haven't downloaded the app, which I suggest you haven't done so, you will just open the Play Store. But since I've downloaded the app and installed it and started completing some offers, it just opens the game right away. So let's just wait for it to load, and I'm going to make sure a quick review of the game's interface. Okay, so the game has loaded. I've already progressed to some sort of level, so it wouldn't catch up with what I've already done, but you'll be taken to a quick tour for understanding the different tabs within the game. As you can see, it's somewhat an interesting game. You'll find interesting while playing, and the best is you play and earn money for that. So let me just skip through these descriptions. And here you see I've already completed some levels within the game. So let me show you how you can play the game. It's just about tapping through these characters and creating some sort of combos within them. As you see, let me just skip through that again, and you see level 1 completed. That is it. So as I said, within the other game, within the game, the free cash app, you will need to complete each level in order to earn a reward, and the levels are actually described there. For now, just started playing that off. After completing chapter 2, you'll be paid 5 cents. It's kind of slow at the beginning, but you'll find it really interesting as you move on. All you just need is dedication and motivation to complete these tasks within 3 to 45 days. I know there are some of you enthusiastic gamers out there that can do this. So this is just how you get to earn 500 bucks within one game. So guys, let's take a quick review of what we've seen. So as a quick review, Free Cash is actually one of the best gaming apps out there that pays real money, as we previously reviewed. And this app features several offers, from games to surveys, which you can take to make some real cash. And after you've made your cash, you can check the amount you have, your balance, from the cash out tab, and equally use this tab to withdraw funds to your Cash App or PayPal account. So Free Cash is just a gaming app that features several offers, letting you and offering ways to get free money nowadays. So as you can see, the cash out, you can cash out to PayPal, Bitcoin, Visa, Amazon, and much more. So you see the minimum withdrawals and the different gift cards and offers available for withdrawal. But this is only going to be available once you've completed the games and reached the withdrawal threshold. So guys, this is one game that pays real money out there. Don't neglect this game, as it is actually featured by many gamers out there. And if you go through its reviews, probably on Trustpilot, you see that it actually has good reviews, and it's kind of a promising app that you can use to make a side hustle. You can use as a side hustle beside your daily job. So guys, if you found this video helpful, just hit that subscribe button down below if you haven't done so, and don't forget to check our video description for the link to this game, as I might already have forgotten. To get this game, you just need to click on the link right down below in the video description, and you'll be taken to the direct official download link. Don't get any link from the web, as most of them are imprinted with viruses. So take your time and click the link in the video description, and I'll catch you on the next one.